and welcome back to another episode of What the And today we're back on the GTO. Not the shell, because there's no need at the moment. Well, there is actually. I do need to do some more assembly on the engine bay. However, I also have all of these little bits here to deal with. So what I've decided to do is basically get these smaller bits done, so that, because a lot of these things are plastic, so a lot of the plastic bits will not need epoxy priming. The main reason that we did the epoxy primer on the shell was because we wanted to give it that rust protection layer, which is why we epoxy primed that. So the doors, the tailgate, the wings, they will still be epoxy primed and then high build primed, but items like this, side skirts, A and B trims, these actually go on the lower sections of the doors. These fit just around the rear quarter glass, so they fit just sort of like there. Petrol flap, door handles, wing mirrors, hinges, headlight covers. These are, for some weird reason, these actually fit around the rear lights. I don't know why they didn't just incorporate the rear quarter into these pieces, but they decided to make them separate. So these sections here as well, they just go, the actual rear light fits in there. It's like a rear light pod. So because these bits don't need epoxy priming, they just literally will need high build priming. I figured if I get this stuff done and prepped and ready, get this stuff primed and get these bits painted, whilst I'm working on the doors, the tailgate and the front two wings, when they go in for like primer and they're obviously drying, I can start getting stuff fitted back on. So petrol flap, I can get the A and B trims put back on. I can call the glass guy back in to get the rear quarter glasses fitted back in. We can get the hinges mounted onto the body. I can reassemble the wing mirrors, reassemble the door handles. I can actually drop the headlights back in. Oh, actually, I forgot. Yeah, we got a front bumper and a rear bumper as well. So I need to get the front bumper and rear bumper prepped as well. Then we can get the back end pretty much all finished bar the tailgate. So that's going to be my job for today. Well, going forward now on the GTO. So that's the next plan of action, is to get all of this shit painted so I can put it back on that. And I think next week Kyle is going to get the engine out. I'm going to get obviously the rest of the engine base stuff done. We've just been doing a few little bits while we're at it, repainting the brake servo, caps and stuff like that, which needs obviously like freshening up. So we're just freshening up what we are, what we can, whilst we're obviously fitting everything back up, cleaning the lines up, retaping what needs retaping and stuff. So yeah, it's been one hell of a day already, and it's been one hell of a project just to get it to this point. So excited to get this thing finished now, because once this is finished, All Night Industries 2000, yes, let's do it.
Do it, come on.
Actually, no, that's a lie. I am going to get the Supra back in. I want to get the engine drop back into that car. We have got a new clutch for that now, so let's get the engine drop back into that car, get that car plumbed up and ready to go. That car can then go for mapping, and then that's the Supra done. Then I got to do my Supra. So then I'll do my Supra. Then that bad boy. So yeah, I'm probably not going to actually do no time lapse today. I'm just going to do this just as like a little update video. I am on my own because Kyle has decided He does not want to sit on the floor. Appreciate it, and I will catch you guys on the next one.